Hello! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, is kayaking good for weight loss? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. Is kayaking good for weight loss? It is a well-known fact that water sports are great for our health. They help us improve our cardiovascular system, make our muscles stronger, and of course, help us lose weight. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular water sports, kayaking. We all know that kayaking is a great workout for your arms and shoulders. But what about the rest of your body? Can kayaking help you lose weight? In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, what is the concept of your body losing weight? Number 2, what activities during kayaking to help you lose weight? Number 3, the best types of kayaking for you to lose weight. Number 4, how many calories can you burn by kayaking? Number 5, key muscles that kayaking works on. Number 6, is kayaking help you get good fitness? Number 7, how consistently should you kayak to lose weight? Number 8, what commitment should you have to lose weight by kayaking? Number 9, other health benefits of kayaking, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.